Astana Opera presented the brightest and most acclaimed music pieces of the 20th century, like the symphony cantata Carmina Burana by German composer Karl Orff, which is considered a staple piece of the world classical music. The main feature of the performance in the Kazakh capital was the lyrical and dramatic poetry about the vicissitudes of fate, featuring a children's choir. Soloist of the children's studio of the Astana Opera, Kazimurat Yerkin, performed a complex tenor part. The talent of the 10-year-old artist has surprised the spectators. The young artist is earning the love of the audience. He has already played the role of Pastushka in Tosca, a solo part in Bohemia, and took part in many concerts.
Осы партия жоғары ноталары өте қиын.
The top notes are very complex in this play. I've been learning it for over a week. I rehearsed it with my teacher and we memorized the lyrics. I want to represent Kazakhstan in the whole world. I want to become a great performer.
Әлемге танытқым келеді. Үлкен партияларды сомдап, әлемдегі ең мықты әнші болғым келеді.
Honored artist of Bashkortostan, Alfiya Karimova, and baritone Talgat Galeyev performed the soprano. The symphony orchestra in adult and children's choirs created a special atmosphere. Abdul Muhiddinov, honored worker of Kazakhstan, was in charge of the musical evening.
Эта кантата, она не просто статичная хоровая кантата, да, она предполагает...
This cantata is not just a static choral cantata. It involves movement and bright mise-en-scene decisions. Today, our viewers offer this option. There will be a large information flow from the screen.
Большой информационный поток с экрана.
Carmina Burana is the most popular composition by Karl Orff, which he considered the beginning of his creative career. It is based on a collection of elegies of traveling European poets of the Middle Ages. Initially, there were more than 250 texts, of which the composer selected 24 elegies out.